First thing you want to do, obviously, open it up. And once you get up here, obviously this is the tracks and everything. So what you want to do, you see that brake cleaner over there? You want to get that brake cleaner, spray it on the towel, and make sure you wipe it because you can see there's a lot of dirt. Well, I already cleaned it, but there was a lot of dirt in there. So you want to make sure you clean all that dirt out first on both sides, obviously. Clean everything. And when you get everything nice and clean, you're gonna take this white lithium grease. You're gonna open it, take the cap off, and then you see right here, this rubber. There's like a rubber. You see right here. This is like where this pipe goes to. You want to stick that in there, and then you want to spray all over. Okay, this side and the other side. Do for the other side also. You want to stick that in that rubber gasket right here and spray everything. And obviously you're gonna come out here too. You see I already sprayed it, so you're gonna spray it all over this place, everywhere, including here. And then you're gonna get like a brush. I got this on AutoZone also. And you're just gonna take that brush and you're just gonna like make sure you like spread it evenly across the whole tracks. Obviously with this side, you're not gonna be able to get the brush in there, so you just want to stick it in and just squeeze it in. But make sure you get the brush and you rub it in on this side. Do the same thing for the other side also. And once you do that, your sunroof should be able to close a lot freely. So like I said, for me this was like a night and day. Like once I put it in, and you can see right now, it closes a lot better. Like I said, before my sunroof would just get, my sunroof would just stop right here and it wouldn't go any further. I mean, it was working fine before, but it was kind of slow. So I got the silicone grease, I sprayed it in, and it made it worse, way worse. So I'll show you the one I'm talking about. But yeah, this is definitely stuff you want to use. And obviously when it gets here, you have to hold it down for whatever reason. But you can see a lot smoother. So, but yeah, real quick. So this is the one you don't want to use. This is what I tried using before. That just made it worse. And the reason why I think this is not I mean, obviously this is a lubricant, but the reason why you don't want to use this for something like a sunroof is because you can see, I'm just gonna spray some. You can see how like it's very how I put it, liquidy. You know what I'm saying? It's not thick. So when I sprayed this on the tracks, literally what happened, the whole thing just like ran all the way down the tracks and like down the drain. So obviously, and then it would dry up really quickly because it's not thick. So you want something real thick. That's why I want to use the white lithium grease. I mean, obviously this is good for something, but I don't think this is what you want to use for the sun. So yeah, that's it.